Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to allow people to see posts that you're tagged in on your Facebook page using the latest Facebook web update on PC. If you've ever been tagged in a post but noticed it's not visible on your page, don't worry. This is controlled by a simple setting, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, open Facebook in your browser on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, select Settings. This will take you to your main settings page, where you can control different aspects of your account and page. Now, in the left-hand menu, find and click on Page and Tagging. This section contains all the options related to how tags and posts appear on your page. Scroll down until you find the option that says Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your page. This is the key setting we need to adjust. Click on it, and you'll see different audience options. To make your tagged post visible to everyone, select Everyone. After choosing Everyone, don't forget to click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. From now on, any post you're tagged in can be seen on your page by anyone, depending on the original post's privacy settings. This is especially useful if you want to increase visibility, engagement, or simply make sure your tagged content is accessible to a wider audience. If this helped you, make sure to check your other tagging settings as well to stay fully in control of your page.